Yeah, good morning, everybody. You are welcome to this short video series, and I'm happy to have you around. A quick one. I want to talk about how money moves. Yeah, there are a lot of misconception about how money moves. People find it very difficult to really understand the money mechanism, and irrespective of what you do and what you believe in, there's a way money move, and there's a way money responds to situations. And whether you are a believer, you are unbeliever, any end of the divide you find yourself, and there's something that the Almighty has put, and that actually controls the universe, and that is one of which I call the law of what? Value. The real move of money is value. Money moves or gravitates towards value. And I want to say that the reason why some of us are not doing well financially, the reason why some of us don't have money or don't know how to make money, is because we don't have value to give. We don't bring value to the table. And it is the value you bring to the table that will determine what you get out of it. So how best can you solve a problem? How best can you demystify mysteries? How best can you, in layman word, provide solution to every challenges that people face day in, day out? If you are good at what you do and you are good at creating valuable content, you discover that making money will not be a difficult task. Money moves, you need to know that, and money moves at a very high speed towards value. So as you go today, as you go this week, as we forge ahead in the new year, I advise you and admonish you that you need to do what? Make yourself valuable. You need to make yourself a creator of value. When you are successful at doing that, you discover that people will want to part away with their money in order to get value from you. Thank you so much for your time this morning. Till I come your way next time. And as a note, I am reviving my video series on YouTube and also on this channel, and I'm also glad to inform you that I am opening a private room. Will I call it a private room? Okay, a room on Clubhouse. Now you'll be able to access my group Vision Impact Network on Clubhouse, where I will be daily, reaching out to you, daily giving you content, daily, being a blessing to you, day in, day out. So I will drop the link to my Clubhouse on this video, on anywhere you are watching this video, so you can just free to join that platform, to join the movement. And I want to believe that you never regret doing that. My name is Shondi Abiola Damilare, Hunku Alikama, and I am your number one online business coach and practitioner. Till I come your way next time, the Lord bless you. Thank you and have a nice day.